everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, I am Fatako. Thank you for stopping today's video. So I kind of want to do a makeup inspired by a dress or a picture sent to me by a friend. So I'll be recreating that makeup look as you see from the thumbnail, as you see from the title of this video. I'm going to recreate this makeup look with you guys, but it will be a detailed makeup tutorial from start to finish. So I'm really so excited to film this with you guys. So if you want to stick around with me, just give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and join my Fairfax family, and let's just get started. I'll quickly go off camera and do my base up, put my base up, and come up with you guys and show you guys this makeup routine, the creative makeup I'm going to do. I'll put a picture somewhere in the screen so that you guys will see. So let me quickly go up and do my base. So my base is all complete. Right now I'm going to use a Diva Bar pencil right here and outline where I need to draw. I show you guys a picture of what I'm doing actually. So I'm just going to do one side of my face on camera. I'm doing the other side off camera quickly. But this is my first time. This is actually the first time I'm trying a makeup look like this. But I cross my finger. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get it. We're gonna do something together. So let's get started. So you have to sharpen your pencil and really get it precise, guys. Like this, like really precise, like this, to outline. So you guys, I'm using this Diva Bar pencil just to outline the part I need to outline. And now I think I'll put up the picture of what I'm using right in the screen, but this is what I'm actually doing. So let's get started. I'm going to draw from this part of my eyes. And remember, right here under my eyes is very matte, so the pencil is just going to show. Then when I'm going to apply the clown white paint, I'm going to wipe out the inside. I don't know if you guys understand, but let me just start doing what I have to do. Your line getting perfect, you just have to do what you have to do because you're outlining. In case I'm using this Diva Bar pencil, let me explain to you guys because it's beginner friendly. I'm using this Bar pencil just to outline. In case I make a mistake, I can go with powder and just like wipe it off and put it back and go back again, go back in. That's what I mean. So let's just continue outlining. So now I finished outlining my own, as you guys can see. Now I'll go in with a clown white base, but before then I'll clean up the inner parts of this part, like the inside of this part. Let me just go in. So guys, you just wipe or anything that's available for you. Gasana cleanser, anything. I need to clean up the parts inside, and now I'm just going to use the clown white base. I don't know where I dropped my own, so I went to a makeup artist and she gave me this little amount for me to just use for today's video. I never knew where I dropped my own, but I'll leave a picture of the banner on my client base picture somewhere in the screen so that you guys can know what I'm talking about. So I'm quickly going up to use this underneath my eyes and paint the head out of it. Any tiny brush precisely, and I'm just using it at this inner part. this and just kind of pad it because the climb my base I just want to remove excess from it. I can remove the excess, dust it off, then go back in because I want to set with powder. Anytime I use a clown white base like this, I always set on top with a white powder or a translucent powder like a RCMA setting powder that does not have any color, that does not have color on it. And take off the excess. Don't worry about the messy lines, we're going to correct that using a gel liner. So I'm going to pour that in. Toss the excess. Then I'm going back with another tiny brush. Sorry. Please hold it for me. So guys, I'm using this brown gel liner. I'm using a brown one before I outline with a black one just to shade up all the parts I need to shade up back in again, just like this. You guys can see, I don't know if you can see on camera, it's creasing actually because I have not set it in place. So let's just quickly walk fast and set everything in place. Going with this powder palette from ZK Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian brand, so I'm using this amount of powder to set it in place. Before I go back with that powder, I'm going back with a brush. Then brush I use pad all the place I need to set. Then I'm going back with this powder and set everything in place. Show you guys what I'm using in this hand. I'm using the liner just to outline everything in place, and I think that will be everything. That will be everything. This is a lot of struggle on creating this look. I know I kind of mess up a lot of times. I know I gotta do some things I don't know to do, but I think this is what we achieve in this part of the hair. Let me quickly go off camera and do the other part of the hair and come back with you guys. So let's go. The other side all complete. I don't know, you guys should wait whether I keep it or not, but I'm just going to give myself a quick spray all over my face to lock everything in place. And this is all what I created for my gorgeous look sent to me by a friend. The picture, I saw this picture and it was mind blowing. I just said I should recreate this look for you guys to show you guys I recreate my creative makeup look. So Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and join the Prefatas family. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.